Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm back with another trailer reaction. This is the official trailer for the upcoming film Rocketry. Now, I'm going to be reacting to the Hindi trailer. There are multiple trailer, one in Hindi, Tamil, English, and of course Telugu. I wanted to react to the Tamil trailer as well, but when I checked, it did not have subtitles. So I'll just stick to the Hindi trailer for now. This is, of course, chronicling the life of Nambi Narayanan, who is an aerospace engineer, and he has had, well, he's a Padma Bhushan as well, but there were a lot of hardships that he also faced during his career. He was arrested, he was charged with espionage, and I do not know much about him in depth, though I just know that he was acquitted from all the charges by CBI. So of course this is going to chart his entire journey, and this is R Madhavan's dream project, if I should say. So I think it's been directed by him only. Let me just look at the credits once. Yes, it's written and directed by R Madhavan. So let's react to the Hindi trailer of Rocketry. Before watching this film, I will of course do my own research on Nambi Narayanan, and I'll watch a couple of his interviews to find out what exactly happened, what was he charged with, and what all he had to face, and finally when he got acquitted. So I'll probably do an in-depth research before I watch this film, and yes, let's react to the trailer now. All right.
उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस सारी तामझाम का ढंग का नतीजा निकले। 3
अगर आपको लग रहा है ये सब फजूल है तो फिर आप यहाँ पर आए कि
2 मैं यहाँ इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो हुआ वो इस देश में किसी और के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए। वाह, सर दुनिया भर में लोग ना 60-70 टन की इंजन बना रहे हैं और हम यहाँ 600 किलोग्राम के खिलौना बनाकर खुश हो रहे हैं। सर ये रॉकेटरी नहीं है, पपेटरी है। इन रॉकेट्स के जरिए हमें कमर्शियल सैटेलाइट्स लॉन्च करने होंगे। कमर्शियल सैटेलाइट लॉन्च मार्केट जो आने वाले दिनों में $1 ट्रिलियन मार्केट है, उसका हमें हिस्सा बनना पड़ेगा।
जो मेरे अब्बा अंकल पूरा परिवार 5 साल में कमाते हैं, वो आप 1 साल में कमाओगे?
ना, 1 महीने में। क्या कहती हो, नासा का ऑफर ले लें?
बास्टर्ड्स, ये फिर से हमारे काबिल दिमाग छीनना चाहते हैं।
क्योंकि मेरे सामने जो देख रहा हूँ उसे देखकर मेरा खून खोल रहा है। नंबी नारायणन, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ क्रायोजेनिक, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेकंड स्टेज, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ फोर्थ स्टेज, एसोसिएट प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर PSLV।
सबको लगता है कि लिक्विड इंजन मेरी वजह से फेल हुआ है, लेकिन सच तो यह है कि मैं आपकी वजह से फेल हुआ हूँ।
400 मिलियन पाउंड्स के इक्विपमेंट स्कॉटलैंड से उठा लाए मुफ्त में। हमारे साइंटिस्ट को फ्रांस भेजकर उन्हीं का इंजन उनसे ही बेहतर बना दिया। रशिया में क्रायोजेनिक इंजन अमेरिकन के नाक के नीचे से निकाल लाए। पागल होने की ताकत आपसे बेहतर और कौन समझ सकता है?
ये सब और बेहतर हो पाता अगर तुम नासा में काम करते तो। ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी में देशभक्ति का मतलब समझाने के लिए उन्होंने तुम्हारी तस्वीर छाप रखी है।
किसी कुत्ते को मारना हो तो अफवाह फैला दो कि वो पागल है। ठीक उसी तरह किसी इंसान को बर्बाद करना हो तो ये ऐलान कर दो कि वो देशद्रोही है। मुझे तुम लोगों से कोई कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं चाहिए, ना ही मैं यहाँ कोई पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्टेस्ट जीतने आया हूँ। एक मिशन के लिए आए हैं बस।
अब सितारों तक पहुंचाने वाली जिम्मेदारी तुम्हारी।
क्या समझ रखा है मुझे? मैं एक रॉकेट साइंटिस्ट हूँ।
Wow, I love this line. Oh, there's no release date. Oh, Amazon Prime Video. Oh, I hope they release this on the theaters but Prime Video would have bought the rights. Wow, that's amazing. That was a very intense trailer. Let me stop this first. Well, I have many thoughts. Firstly, of course, Nambi Narayanan, like I said, I have not done a very in-depth research, but I'm glad that his story has been put out. I don't know, can you let me know what was Nambi Narayanan's response to the trailer? I would love to know that. There would be a video on it. I'll also check it out myself. The trailer cut, it's very dramatic. Of course, it's a movie, it's a fictional, it's a dramatic representation. I'm sure they will put a disclaimer that this is based on true events. So of course I know there is some cinematic liberty that people do take to make it more appealing for the audience, but I'm glad that the story has been put out because it's required. Like I said, I don't know in depth about his life, so I think a lot of people will come to know. And then I really like the last line, sometimes when a person is wronged, the nation is wrong. I really like that line. I think that is going to be the crux and core of this story, and how he came out on the other side. Because the first dialogue where he said कि ताकि मैं ये सब इसीलिए कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो हुआ किसी और के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए, which I think sets the entire tone of the film. So I think Shah Rukh का cameo है इसमें. He is doing a cameo. And the music, the score is very dramatic. I hope they don't do. My problem is that my worry is that I hope they don't over dramatize the thing, because I hope they are sticking more to the core and the heart of the story, what Nambi Narayanan went through and how he came out of it on the other side. I just hope they don't make it way too dramatic. That won't be good. That won't be perfect justice done to the storyline. Like how they did with Shakuntala Devi. I just don't want it to happen. Shakuntala Devi, it was a decent film, but it could have been more. It could have been more because she has had such an incredible life. But I understand, because that story was said from the point of view of the daughter. Here, the story has been actually said from Nambi Narayanan's point of view, because I think the first scene hoga where he's saying that, where he's preparing, sitting down for the interview, and then we are going to go into the flashback. So this story is actually been said from the first person point of view. So I just hope they don't over dramatize it. Sorry. So that's my only worry. And otherwise, this looks great. I am really excited for this film. I hope it does well, and this has been Madhavan's dream project, so I'm wishing him all the best. And Madhavan looks great, his dialogue delivery, everything, his entire look is perfect, I feel. And I really love R. Madhavan, so I have really high expectations from this movie. And we love biopics, all of us, we love biopics. So, but when it comes to biopic, my only thing is that it needs to do justice to the main character, to the central character on whom the biopic has been made. That is always my only worry when it comes to biopics. So yes, this looks from the trailer fantastic. I loved it, and I hope this movie fares well. I wish the entire team of Rocketry all the best. So yes, that was my reaction for Rocketry, and do let me know what are your thoughts after watching this trailer. Yes, I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.